Hey guys, Killstokes here. Wanted to hop back in and give you a little bit of an update on an idea that I shared with you in this past weekend's Trading Edge video. If you remember on the dollar yen, we were waiting for a rather large potential bearish cipher pattern to complete. It looks something like this. X to A being our, let me use this tool, make it a little bit easier for you guys to see. X to A, our swing high to swing low. A to B, our retracement right here. B to C, our extension down there. And a CD completion right here at the 786. Now, I want to put that to the side, keep it in the back of your head. I'll keep it on so you can still see it. But what we're potentially looking at for here, actually I'll erase this so we can look at something fresh, is a potential continuation trade in advance of that cipher pattern. And what I mean is this. Pattern trading aside, I use a four-step process in my analysis called IPDE. Identify, predict, decide, execute, where I want to identify what price is doing. I want to then predict what it's likely to do next. I want to decide how and if I can get involved. And then eventually I want to execute the order. And here's what my analysis tells me here, if I were strictly looking at this from a non-pattern perspective. Akil, what has price action recently done? Well, if you look closely, we have just broken and closed above our B leg, which happens to be a previous level of structure. Look left, structure leaves clues. If we break and close above, then my prediction is that price is likely to go higher. So I have this bullish bias. Now, the next part is I want to predict if price action is likely to go higher, then where is it likely to go higher to? And this is where we're going to bring that cipher back into play. Now, from just a pure structure perspective, the area that I would have for where price is likely to go higher to is right about here, an area between 147.33s and about 148 even. I personally don't shoot for the highs, but I know a lot of traders do, so I'll leave that as a part of the zone, right? Now, we can use that, if you're looking to get long, use that as an opportunity to take targets, or if you're someone that is going to be either trading the cipher and looking to do something like a stop and reverse, meaning you take this long position and exit right away and get short the cipher, or if you just respect the cipher and say, hey, I don't want to fight past that cipher completion point. I'd rather get my money and get out, like the whole bank robber thing I showed you in the video, then this is what you're going to do. We know that our cipher completes at, what is it, 140, is it 33s, was it? Let me just put this back on. Nope, 88s, I'm well off. What was I thinking about? Anyway, it's going to complete up here at X to A to B, B to C, and C to D, giving you another little zone right here, an overlapping zone, I guess you can say. So as you set yourself up for this potential buying opportunity, let's say we go down to the hourly chart, this gives you a nice conservative place to look for targets, right? Maybe you look for price action to retest a little bit back in the structure and then explode up. And again, instead of looking for a move all the way to 147.30s, maybe you just want to get off at 146.89s, right below the 147 even handle. Or maybe you want to take a target one there and take a target two higher. Again, maybe you're a cipher pattern trader and you want to go directly from this long opportunity. And then once price action gets to your cipher completion zone, short and get involved in the opposite direction. There are many ways you can handle this. Of course, choose the way that follows your plan or works within your plan, but I thought it was a cool opportunity. So I'll get this out to you guys. I don't know why I'm saying that, because if you're listening to this, it's already out. But if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I did get a request to look at the FTSE today for a video. Unfortunately, I looked at the chart and I did not see anything on there that was worth talking about. So I am sorry, I don't want to do a video that doesn't really have anything informational, but if you guys have charts or things you want to share with me or things that you want me to take a look at, continue to leave them in the comment section below. And if there is something that I think is worthy to make a video off of, I certainly will.